plug. Hi friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. It's Diana. If you're new here, if you're not new, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing I guess like a plant haul. As you can tell from my last few videos, I have been really into plants. I've always loved plants, but I am actually working on building up inventory for a shop. It's going to be called Rare Tropicals Plant Shop, so you can find it at raretropicalsplants.com. Plug. Basically, I've been buying tons of different plants, and some of them I'm gonna hang on to for a while because I'm buying them small and just gonna grow them a little bit before I put them up for sale. Other ones are probably a little bit more ready for actual sale already, but I figured I'd show you guys what I got and keep you in the loop, you know? I'm getting all fun plants, all like different plants, I guess. So let's get into it. So the first plant I got is a calathea. This is a 2.5 inch pot. It's actually called, I believe it's a calathea ruby. This is a new leaf, so it's still like very light and green, but they come out this beautiful like deep color, and the bottom is like this deep kind of like purple, and it's super bright pink. Like it's actually like hot pink, which is insane and beautiful to me. So I'm so excited to have this guy. The next one is not that wild, but it's a rubber plant. Basically it has like pink along this stem there, and then it has these tri-colored leaves, which I think are just so stunning. This is a 4-inch pot. Honestly, all of these I'm going to hang on to because they're a lot smaller. I got them off a website called Piante, I believe. I'll leave them linked down below because they did have great stuff and it was really affordable. They shipped really quickly. They're based out of, I want to say like Montreal or something, but it shipped to Toronto within like, I don't know, a day or two. Like once it actually shipped, it took like a day, so that's amazing. So next we have this beautiful baby alocasia black velvet, and she's stunning, guys. Like when I tell you this is some velvet, this is some velvet. She has a little baby hole, but that's okay. Like literally it's so soft. I can't wait for her to like settle in. I haven't watered them or done anything to them because I got them yesterday, so I'm just letting them chill. And then my final one is called a pitcher plant, and it has these little pitchers of, I guess, juice. I don't know how else to say it, but I guess each little branch, except this one, is still growing his. Like if you can tell there, it's like dried out. But here, let's use the big one as an example. So basically each branch will have this little guy, and you can't really tell in the camera, but if you hold it up to light you can see that there's actually a little bit of like a liquid inside of it, like it's filled with a liquid. And so it's actually digestive enzymes, and this guy eats like flies and stuff. Like it's a carnivorous plant, which is so cool. I've always wanted one, and Lord knows we got lots of flies. Well, we have like little gnats quite often in this home. With the amount of plants we have, we usually have gnats flying around. I don't really know too much about this plant, but I've seen them get huge, and I think it would be so cool. So I don't know if this one will ever be for sale, but realistically I wanted one. I actually always wanted a Venus flytrap, but I learned about these, I don't know, maybe a couple months ago, like pretty recently, and I actually ended up loving it. I just think it's cool. So those are the 4 things I ordered. They shipped super well. Packaging was amazing. It was all recyclable, which was nice. It was like no plastic, which is always amazing. I guess I'll give you guys an update on this guy. What is Oh, this is a Dieffenbachia. So this is called a dumb cane, and I showed you guys in my other video that she was dying. It used to have 3 leaves, and then it had, well, I cut it down to 1, but this little beauty is coming through. So I really don't know if I should just pull this leaf off or if it's helping somehow. I don't know, like it's yellow at the tip, but here it's actually pretty firm. So I haven't wanted to pull it off just in case, like, I don't know, it's helping a sister out somehow. But I've just been careful with it. I've been trying to let it really dry out before watering, but I think I underwatered it originally. I think I forgot about it a little bit. So that is it for my haul, but I'll give you guys an honorable mention on what I'm doing on my windowsill right here, since I got a lot concocted up here. So these are Brandon's succulents, irrelevant. I got all these pothos cuttings, and I cut them a couple days ago. Still no roots. It's still very early. I honestly put these in water like, I want to say 2-3 days ago. So that, like, there's not going to be roots, but I'm excited. So my marble queen actually has a couple stems that I believe are just normal pothos. So I actually cut it off one of those green branches, so I'm not expecting it to be variegated at all. Marble queen leaves are starting to branch out more, so I'm excited for those girls to get bigger because I would love to do a very propagated version. I really don't know what determines if it's gonna revert or not. Anyway, irrelevant. I'm getting sidetracked. So this is gonna be pothos, and the nice thing is because I cut a bunch of them, I can put them all into one pot and hopefully it'll grow nice and full. And these guys are a little concoction. So they're little tiny baby succulent pots, and like look at how tiny this is. I think it's like an inch big or something. I accidentally bought these pots not really realizing how tiny they were, but I had gotten these little containers at the dollar store ages ago. So now, oh, sorry guy. Okay, this one's doing its own thing, I don't know. But now I basically turn them into little propagation boxes. And they're keeping the heat in, they're keeping the moisture in. You can see like the little sweat marks on top of there. So I'm hoping that that's a good time for them. And we'll see. I'm thinking like a little pack of 4 would be really cute to put on the website. I actually grabbed those out of my very successful terrarium. Like, I don't think I ever water that thing, and it's always like damp in there, and like the soil is wet, and since I have it covered in like plastic wrap, there's no bugs or gnats, which is amazing. Honestly, that's the update for today. I just wanted to make a quick little video and show you guys what I got. I do have some imports coming, and I will absolutely do an unboxing of those, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna call it a day. So I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you like short videos. I always feel like vlogs have to be super long, but I don't know if they do, you know? Anyway, I'll see you guys soon. Subscribe to see more videos of me. Hit the notification bell to find out when I post next. Like and comment on this video to help me out. Let me know what you want to see next. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.